Today I'm going to show you how to input a frequency table and get data out of it. So first I'm going to use this frequency table here that I just randomly got anywhere. What you need to know is that we are going to use L1, L2, L3, and L4 as our frequency tables. So the first L1 is just going to be the lower part of the interval, so 40, 45, all the way up to 70. So let's do that. Go to our GrafNCalc stat, edit, number 1. L1 starts at 40. Okay. Wait. Okay. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. Let's go back to our thing, and the second part is just 4, adding 4 onto all the other units. So go back to L2, so that's 44, 49, 54, 59, 64, 69, okay. That's 69 and 74. L3 is going to be the average of them. So we're going to click on top of L3 and we want to say all of L3 have it. I'm going to do parentheses, second list, L1, and then plus second list, L2, and parentheses, divide that by 2. And there we go. L3 then is just the average of the L1 and L2. Now L4 is the actual frequency. So if we go back to our table, we have 2, 4, 5. I'm going to remember that first. 2, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 5. The next numbers being 8, 5, 4, 2. 8, 5, 4, 2. 8, 5, 4, and 2. Now, to then calculate this, so when we go back to stat and we go to calculate, we go to one variable stat. The key part is to do L3 and L4. L3, comma, and then L4. And we end parentheses, enter that, and that gives us all the information we need to know with a frequency table. It gives us our mean, our standard deviation, the number, our minimum, our Q1, Q2 or medium, Q3, and our maximum. And that is how we input a frequency table into our graphing calculator.